Here we are in the kitchen. Got some of my spackling done. I filled it in and shaped it in a little better. Get it a little closer. But I was going to show you this. I'm going to make that round part tapered at the end. Make it a tapered cone. And the way I was going to do that is I took one of those pudding cups and cut the bottom off, because it already has a taper to it. It's kind of tapered. So when I sprayed it with that spray glue and I sprayed my sandpaper there, once that tacks up, I'm going to stick the sandpaper inside that cup there, and then I'll be able to twist it back and forth around that nose cone and sand a taper into it. Make it look a little better there. So I'll show you that as soon as I get that glued in. So here's what I got. Just made me a little sanding cup. Just glued that in there with that same spray foam. Had to tear it in a few places to get the taper, you know. And then just gonna take this rocket here, stick that over the top like so, and then just kind of twist that thing back and forth until I get a taper in there. So I'll be back and show you what that looks like once I get it done. That's what I got. I don't know if you can see the taper in it. Kind of see it there. Snow outside's making it all shiny in here. That's basically what I did there, is just put a little taper to it. Just aesthetics, I guess, make it look a little better. So that's that. And then keep sanding on this a little bit. Get it a little better shaped in. Might do a little something right in here, you know. Give it some detail. And I'll show you that as soon as I get it done. That's what I got so far. Just kind of drew a line around the edge to give me something to go by. See if I can't get the shadow off it here. Kind of see what I'm doing there with my knife. Just kind of chopping it all up there. Doing this all while I look at the video screen. It's kind of hard. It's like looking in the mirror. Try and pick your nose. So that's what I'm going to do there, is just kind of do that and pick it out. And it's just kind of a rough shape. I'll get it all better when it's all fiberglass. I'll be able to shape it more and keep control of the shape as I'm shaping it. So that's what we got there. Getting ready to fiberglass this stuff and do the final Bondo work and everything before we polish it up. Paint it first, then polish it. Make some molds. So that's about all I got right here. I'm going to do that and then tackle the next step, which I don't know what it's going to be yet. But we'll find out in a minute. So there we have it. We got it all fiberglassed. One layer. We'll wait till that dries a little, gets to the green stage, and then come and trim the edges with an X-Acto knife. They're pretty much down there on the bottom. I gotta trim it. Put that all fiberglassed. Then we'll be able to sand on it, smooth it out, Bondo it without changing its shape too much. So that's what we got. I'm thinking about maybe taking this box of goodies with me to Billings, Montana, and I'll do bottom side in the motel. And when I go to sleep, it'll dry, wake up, pack it up. bring it back to Denver. That plastic I was going to use for the parting planes turned out to be a better table than parting plane. I think I'm just going to use some Lexan for the parting plane. So, well, that's it. Till next time.